Adding another person to your smart lock is simple when you use the Schlage Home app. This feature allows homeowners to give family members, guests, or temporary visitors controlled access to the lock without sharing physical keys. Through the app, you can invite someone using their phone number or email and assign different permission levels depending on how much control they should have. Locks such as the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt support guest, user, and admin access, letting you manage who can unlock the door and when. Once the invitation is accepted, the new user can control the lock directly from their phone. Step 1. Open the Schlage Home app and go to the Users section. Step 2. Tap Invite User to start adding a new person. Step 3. Send the invitation by email, SMS, or QR code. Step 4. The invited person installs the app and accepts the invitation with their account. Step 5. Choose the permission level, guest, user, or admin, and save the settings.